Hi, I'm Anup.
And I'm Kate, and today we're answering the web's most searched EV questions.
Bow, bow, bow. So what are we doing?
Yes. All right, here we go. Do you want to read the first one?
Let's do it.
Okay, here we go.
Let her rip. How does charging my EV at home work? How does charging my EV at home work?
All right, two ways. First one, there's level one, which is basically plugging in your EV into your regular old household outlet, or
You can install a level 2 charger.
yeah, and that costs about like $1,200,
Yeah.
and it gives you a faster charge. But
Great thing is there's usually incentives too for that.
yes, to help you cover those costs. But like the best part about owning an EV is probably like no more lines at the pump.
Yeah,
Like,
100%.
You can charge at home, don't have to stop at a gas station. It's kind of amazing. Cool.
Are you gonna read it?
Oh yeah. How does EV charging affect my electric bill? It depends on where you live, what kind of EV you're driving, but on average it's about like $30 to $60 a month. So
Affordable.
yeah, it's pretty affordable when you can compare it to gas vehicles.
I love saving money. It's only about a third of the cost of driving a gasoline car.
Yeah.
And the cool thing is that the Department of Energy actually has a vehicle cost calculator that lets you compare the cost and emissions of driving electric versus gas.
Yeah, so charging at home is not that expensive and not that complicated.
Super convenient too.
Yeah. Do you still have questions about EVs? Drop a comment below and we'll answer it.
For more information and resources, check out the links in the description below.
If you like what you saw, be sure to share it with your friends.
What she said.
Thanks for watching
Be sure to like
and comment.
and subscribe.